I long to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away, all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for lovers when they know it never will? Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never want to be in